Hello everyone, welcome to GeekerMag. If you are not a fan of Discord's new UI that rolled out in March 2025, don't worry, I have got a super simple way to bring back the old layout using just a few quick steps. So let's dive right into it. First head over to this page, link is in the description, and download the Vancode installer.exe file. Once download is complete, just double click the setup file to run it. On this screen, click on the install button. When you see this message saying Discord patched, you are good to go. Now go to the second link in the description. This will take you to this GitHub page. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you find online method section with a theme link. Here simply copy the URL provided. Next, launch Discord. And click the cogwheel icon in the bottom left to open settings. Switch to Themes tab under Vancode. Then on the right side go to Online Themes. In the input box, paste the URL you copied earlier and click anywhere on the app UI to install it. When you see the message valid, boom, the old Discord UI will be restored instantly. So
If you
that's all
find
for
this
this
video
video. If
useful,
you
don't
find this
forget
video
to like
useful
this
in any
video
way, don't
and
forget to like
subscribe to
this
the
video and
channel
subscribe the
to
channel
get
to get
notifications
notifications
about
about
more
more
similar
similar
videos.
videos. Thanks for watching.